Hello, hi there. My name is Sunil Yadav. In this lecture, I am going to talk about what is job, like coroutine job, and how we can use it. So basically, coroutine job launched through the launch coroutine builder, and it returns a job allows us to manipulate the coroutine life cycle. So through the job object, right, we can maintain the life cycle of the coroutines, and each job can have parent child relationship. So if we cancel our parent child job, child can job automatically going to be cancelled. So basically we are trying to maintain the job, and we can join the job together as well. So if a job cancel, all its parents and children will cancel too. So here I prepared one example. I'm going to explain to you. So let's see, here we have one job one, that is the parent's job, and if we are going to cancel it, but let me do just delay, let me comment out this part. So here what we are trying to do, here we are saying this job is going to be launch after 3 millisecond delay, 3 second delay. Job 1 going to launch, and then job 2 is going to launch after 3 seconds is going to be complete. So we are saying this delay for some time to just see how job is going to launch and completing, and then job 2 will completing the job 3 going to launch, then job 3 is going to finish after 3 seconds. So let's try to run it and let's see how it's working. So we can say like job 1 launch, like, and job 2 launch, job 3 launch, then job 2 is finished, right, and job 2 is completed and null value. So we can say here I'm just trying to print the implicit variable value, that means this is going to be null. That means this job completed successfully without any error issue. Now every job is finished successfully as per delay and the time whatever we mentioned in that order, right. Now if we want to cancel our job, so here I'm saying job 1 invocation on completed, job 1 is completed, then just after 5 second, 5 millisecond, basically half second, we can say 500 millisecond is going to be cancelled. So if parent is cancelled, child is going to job also going to be cancelled. So here we can say job 1 will be cancelled. So this one is completing, because this is delay is, here we are saying just 500 millisecond. So other job is not run before that, because we have put it everything in like 300 millisecond. So in between we got the cancellation request. Here job 1 is cancelled, then other child also is cancelled automatically. So this is something parent child hierarchy. So if you cancel, if a job cancel, all its parents and children will be cancelled too. So here all the job is cancelled automatically. And I just wanted to explain you, like the launch builder, basically launch coroutines they have implicit like optional coroutine context. If you want to put, you can put it, otherwise they are going to run from the main thread. And if you want to specify individual thread, you can specify like dispatchers thread. I will explain in coming videos how we can use what dispatchers thread. So hope you like this session. Please subscribe my channel and share your feedback.